Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Always Secured Automation. In this video, we will discuss Module 6.1, Solar Energy, its resource, and energy conversion system. Solar constant is the energy from the sun, per unit time, received on a unit area of surface perpendicular to that radiation in space at Earth's mean distance from sun. There are two obstacles to harnessing solar energy. First, it is not constantly available on Earth due to night and due to weather condition. Second, solar energy is diffused. The collection and conversion of solar energy into useful forms must be carried a large capital investment for the conversion apparatus. Principle of solar energy conversion system: the sun emits a massive amount of radiation. Sun radiation may be transformed into various types of energy using a variety of techniques. Sun radiation may be directly converted to electricity, transformed to heat, and used in biochemical activities. It can also be used directly for tanning if the risks are understood. The photovoltaic (PV) effect allows sunlight to be directly transformed into energy in solar cells. PV conversion will only occur in a device that exhibits two required characteristics. First, a solar cell must collect solar radiation and convert the heat energy of the sun into chemical energy within the device. When light is absorbed, electrons are stimulated to higher energy levels, allowing chemical energy to be temporarily stored. In an electrical potential, excited electrons act as charge carriers, current. Second, the electrical resistance of a solar cell must be asymmetric. This creates an electric potential, voltage, across a device under solar light, which is determined by the chemical energy stored in the electron population. A solar cell can provide meaningful electrical work to load resistance in this way. Thank you for watching our video.